Hey, my penny stock family. We are a family here. So just wanted to give you an update. If you hear music in the background, I guess I'm in the mood for music today. However, I wanted to uh give you an update and also give you more stocks that you can do your research on. And also if you consider and investing in them, you can. But always do your research first. Don't always take my words or anybody else's words for them. Um, because you're the only one that's going to spend your money. So you want to make sure that whatever money you spend, that you're gonna make sure that you watch your penny stocks on a daily basis, Monday to Friday. That's the only 5 days that you need to watch them. On the weekend, you don't have to because, as you know, no market. But just make sure that with penny stocks, you always want to watch them every day. Just in case they make you money, you want to be there to cash out. Always want to cash out. Okay? Whether you make $20 on a penny stocks, $100, $1,000, you want to cash out. Okay? That's the whole um that's the whole mantra about penny stocks. You don't want to stay in too long and you don't want to stay you're welcome. Understand? So that the fact that you got that out of the way, let's move on to the next phase. So for those of you who already subscribed, thank you for being part of the channel. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please do go ahead and subscribe because we want to build this family up. If you have friends and neighbors, your church members, just let them know about the channel. For those of them, for any of them that wants to invest in penny stocks or any other stocks that they want to invest in, this could be their starting point where they can get their hands or their feet wet on buying penny stocks that they can afford now, and then later on buy bigger stocks that they be able to participate in. However, to move along, I'm just going to go straight going over some of the stocks that I have been investing in and that you can take advantage of looking into them. And then if you want to invest in them, you can. So the penny stocks, that first penny stock is the NEOV, NEOV and NEOVW, which has the warrants and the stocks. So whenever you see two stocks together and it has a W at the end, that means that it has a warrant. So you do want to buy the warrant because you're buying the stock twice. But with the warrants, you can make more money than the actual stock itself. In a sense that sometimes the warrants may shoot up to like 1,000%, where the stocks only shoot maybe 20, 30, 40%. So, and sometimes when both of them can be like shooting up at the same level. So you do want to make double the money, right? Okay. So that one I have been investing. It has been a good stock so far. I mean, it's like I think I bought it like the day before, and then the next day it was on Friday. The warrants was just like shooting up out of the sky, like up to $2. So you do want to wait until it cool off. For those of you who are new to stock, you do want to wait until it goes back to the lower level before you buy. But do consider that stocks. And then the ABVE and the ABVEW, that's the warrants also. The VICW, VCICW, that's the warrants. And then the stock itself is the VCIC. So you do want to look into that also. And you always want go to Google the stock, see how much it is, and also the name of the company, what the headquarters, if they are making money. It gives you the whole page. You just need to scan through it or either look into it, read through it, because it gives you all that information. Whenever you want to know about the stock, Google it. It'll give you twice where it had been before, where it's going as far as like the 52 weeks level of the stock can reach for the year. It gives you all that information. So look into it. And then the next one is the Easy Go. Next one is the CHR. And then the next one is the BKYI. And the next one is the NVVE and the NVVEW. The next one is the RBCN. And the next one is the V-Wave and the V-Wave W. That's warrants. And then the next one is the VCIC. And I'm thinking I'm giving it twice here. And the VCICW. The next one is Works. And the next one is the RVYL. And then the next one is the RBTCW, which you want to consider. I think in Fidelity, I think I attempted to buy it, but Fidelity wasn't allowing me to buy it. I think it says something about this security is not, you're not allowed to buy this security. But if you can buy it at any other at any other platform, you can buy it if they allowed you to buy it. And then the next one is TED, TEAD. Okay, so as I mentioned to you, at any time that I bring a stocks to you, you always want to do your research. For me, I use Fidelity to buy them because most penny stock Fidelity do allow you to buy them. Not all of them, but most of them. And also, you can put stop losses and Fidelity. You can there's a lot of good things that I find about Fidelity. Sometimes you don't have to do the calculation. You can let the system do the calculations for you. It's just, I find it to be a lot friendlier than any other platform that I have. But Fidelity is like the good to go one. But if you have your own platform and it's working for you, you can also do that there. For me, I feel like Fidelity doesn't charge for commission for penny stocks. That's the main reason. And then also it's user friendly. Once you learn where things are, it becomes user friendly to you. So at least. So I'm gonna leave it here. So if you have any question, you could always question me below. The green tree that I put in there, it represents the stock market pretty much. See, no, not all tree go straight. It's just like the stock market. It zigzag from time to time. You can see it has different branches. It grows. It zigzag itself. That's the representation of the stock market. That just like you see the tree. Although you could see that it's perfectly formed because of all the branches that hold it together, which is all the learning, all the gain knowledge you're going to have. That those are the branches that you're going to use to expand your investment. Once you gain the knowledge, once you gain the experience, then that's how you grow, and then you'll um, you'll be able to expand the amount that you made. So from there, as I mentioned to you, please do subscribe, like, comment below. Let me know if it's working for you so I can bring you more. So I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye.